Alright, welcome back to another fishing adventure. Fishing 864 with your boy Ryder. We're up bright and early this morning. We're at John D. Long Lake. Let's see if we can get a bass for you guys this morning. Got my buddy Rob over here. And we also got the kayaks and all that. We're going to hit different locations. We was just here and it's early and we're going to try our luck here. So you guys stay tuned. Alright, so I got the old Zoom trick worm on there. Had a hit over here. I've been throwing around with it a little bit. I got the bigger whopper popper on there. Ooh. See that right there now. But there is definitely bass. I am definitely on top of the bass. There's a baby bass like right in there. Wow, okay. So I'm gonna try to throw right over here. Yeah. Look at there, boys. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Look at there. Look at there, guys. Ooh. I knew it. Oh, baby, yeah. Fish on. Let me back up a little bit. Whoo, that old green pumpkin gets them every time, fellas. Look at that right there. That was just an awesome. I knew it. That's one on me, Rob. Sweet, they're definitely biting. I gotta retie my hook because he broke it off there a little bit. That is exactly what I'm looking for this early in the morning. Alrighty, so he tore my worm in half. He was a fighter, pretty good fighter. So we gotta fix back up. So it's got a lot of stuff on the bottom here. Getting kind of tangled up in all kinds of stuff. Kind of gets nerve-wracking. Had a few hits, but then I caught that one. Pretty much it. Squirrels in the trees. Okay, peeps. I don't know, probably can't see, but the deeper we go, the more foggier she gets. So I'm gonna use the old whopper plopper out here and in this deeper water while we wait on Rob to catch up with the pontoon there. So we're gonna see if we can't get them on top in this deeper water here. I don't know if you guys can see that or not. Like I said, it's extremely foggy. Probably. We'll be back. Alright, we made it here to the rocks at the dam. Oh, he spit it out, guys. That was crazy. They seem to be hitting a little bit. We shall see what we're going to do over this. Alright, I was talking to a gentleman over there, and he said he was using these to nest worms. So, he has been catching them pretty good over here on this side. I don't know if you guys can hear me or not. A lot of background noise. But I'm going to try the same worm he said that he has been using. And see what happens here. Sit her right there. I'm going to get over there where I'm going to be, and I'm going to chunk right there.
You on this pontoon? No go for it. Disables that. No. Yeah, it's lazy. Yeah. We're definitely one trade. What do you think?
I've been over here thinking, laughing at you for like 20 minutes about it.
Man, the whole lake is right there in my eyes.
Tears in my eyes.
Wait, huh?
Like tears in my eyes laughing so hard.
You know what? I want to trade it for a day at the house. I'd rather be out here struggling my ass off, getting me laughed at by the whole fucking lake. I don't care.
Yeah, you look like you're sweating.
Oh, as you can see, I traded a monster up.
Alright guys, it's about 11 o'clock and we done started getting hungry, so we're gonna load all this crap up. We're gonna hop in the truck, we're gonna go get us something to eat, and we probably are gonna hit another location somewhere yonder way. We're gonna do it a little differently this time. We're gonna see about maybe see if we can't catch some smallies right here. Again, that was pretty fun. Yeah. So yeah, we're gonna get this loaded up and we'll see you at the next little spot. Alright guys, we're gonna give us some grub. We stopped by the Broad River Mark. Got me some mac and cheese and chicken and all kind of shit. Got to get rejuvenated here. This guy's probably tired. But yeah, we found this little spot on the river just to stop and eat real quick in the shade. So, let me finish eating this. So, we back here at the location. This is a spot I ain't filmed at yet. We're here at the power plant by the dam. I wouldn't get too close. That's what it looks like. No, I wouldn't go down there. They might run our asses off. That's what it looks like. I'm going over that way a little bit. Throw out. Got some stuff I'm gonna change up. See what's gonna go down here. I'm going to definitely throw this Helgamite around. That's for sure going to happen. So once I find me a good little spot down through here, or whatever the case may be, I'm going to throw me a Helgamite on. Never filmed in this particular little spot on the river here. I've been here quite a few times. As a teenager, younger, did some fishing. We're coming back to redeem ourselves and see what we can snatch up out of here. That's crazy. Ooh. Oh, hell. You better be careful over there, bud. I wouldn't do that.
I don't see how far it goes.
Way down.
I definitely be swimming across the next side.
Fish on. Look at there, boys. Ah!
I bet that bitch wasn't on, was it?
Yeah.
Oh, it was?
Yep.
So you got it?
I did.
You got it on video, then I'll give you a picture.
Alright, guys. I found a little hole here.
There's a couple out there trying to attack my worm.
Oh, he's gonna get it. He wants it bad. He wants it bad. Yep. See if there's anything in this stuff. Alright.
Oh yeah. What's up, YouTube?
This is gonna be like some crazy K. Is it worth it?
I think it is. Probably got about a little knee high.
Yeah. He hammered it right there. Oh, God. Alright guys, that's going to conclude today's fishing video. If you hadn't already, make sure you click that like button. Click the subscribe button. I know today's video is going to be a little bit short and a little bit all over the place. We got a lot done today. It's hot. We're tired. We're gonna call it a day. So till next time, y'all keep those lips a riffing. That's 6-4. We gone.